In this video, I will show you how to connect a self-hosted N8N instance to Google Sheets. Open your browser and go to Google Cloud Platform. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account that owns the spreadsheets you want to use. Once inside the console, look at the top navigation bar and open the project picker. Click New Project. Give your project a name such as N8N Sheets. For the organization, you can leave it as none if you do not have one. Click Create and then select your new project so that you are working inside it. Next, we need to enable the Google Sheets API. In the top left menu, go to APIs and Services and then choose Library. Search for Google Sheets API and click on it. Then click Enable. If you also plan to use files from Google Drive, you can enable the Google Drive API as well, but for now only Sheets is required. Now we will configure the OAuth consent screen. This step allows Google to know which app is requesting access. Go back to APIs and Services and click OAuth consent screen. Choose External as the user type and then Continue. Enter an app name like N8N Sheets Tutorial. Use your own email address for the user support email and again for the developer contact email. Save and continue through the next pages until you are finished. After this, you must publish the app. On the publishing status screen, click Publish App and confirm. If you skip publishing the app, you will run into issues when connecting N8N later. Then go back to N8N and open Credentials. Now we create new credentials. If I type Sheets, you will see that Google Sheets can only be connected using OAuth 2, so we must continue with that. Give the credentials a name. You can choose any name, for example, the Gmail account you are using. The method is OAuth. Now go to Google Cloud Console. Inside the OAuth section, go to Clients and create a new client. The application type should be Web Application because our N8N is a web-hosted application. Give it a name such as N8N Sheets Connection Demo so you can easily recognize it later and delete it if needed. You will see two fields, Authorized JavaScript Origins and Authorized Redirect URIs. From N8N, copy the redirect URI and paste it here. Then click Create. You will now receive a client ID and a client secret. Copy both. Go back to the N8N credentials pop-up and paste the client ID into the client ID field and the client secret into the client secret field. Then click Sign In with Google. This will open a Google login window. That is why earlier I mentioned that you should keep the same browser logged in with your Google account to make the process easier. Select your account. You may see a warning that Google has not verified this app. This is expected because you just created it yourself. Click Advanced and then proceed to N8N, accept the permissions. After this, the connection is established successfully. It will show that the account is connected, the pop-up will close, and your Google Sheets is now linked inside N8N.